What is up, YouTube? This is Levi from Bayfoils. We just got a new video from Fliteboard that they kind of unveil their entire 2024 product range. And so we're going to watch it together and kind of go over all the new things for this year and just get super stoked. So please, I'm just going to start the video from the new stuff because they do touch on their products that they've already announced, but we're going to skip that and go straight into the products that they just announced. If you want to watch the whole video, I'll have the link in the description. You can go ahead and watch the whole trailer. It's a great video. It's honestly their best video they've come out with yet in terms of a production value, but we're just going to skip straight into the new stuff.
We want extra durability for launching from a boat or a dock.
So here we are with the new Fliteboard and a Fliteboard Pro changes for this year.
We're also super excited to announce the 4th generation of Fliteboard and Fliteboard Pro. These now include a soft top range and an all-new price. Constructed from fiberglass, the EVA foam top layer means more comfort, safety, durability, and grip.
So yeah, a soft top range. This is going to be a great option for somebody who wants a more durable, less expensive version of a solid board that's still going to be like super impact resistant, because if you drop this on concrete or rubble or sand, that foam really does absorb a lot of the impact. So super cool. I probably won't get any for our fleet because we have carbon classics, but for someone again who doesn't have one and wants a really durable hardboard, super cool.
These boards are great for beginner riders and those who want extra durability for launching from a boat or a dock. Our latest core fiberglass and carbon Fliteboard and Fliteboard Pro models have an optional new performance aluminum efoil. This includes our new titanium conical wing.
So this is probably one of the coolest things that they just came out with. Let her talk some more.
Interface for reduced drag and the ability to fly with our all-new performance wing range. This new conical performance efoil setup offers more options than ever. Customers can upgrade to the Mark Newson designed carbon foils.
So yeah, I didn't have to say it, but they have a new mast mounting system that allows you to use the Mark Newson range wings on a regular Fliteboard aluminum mast. So basically what that means, we're over here on fliteboard.com now, is that if you are an existing Fliteboard owner, you can upgrade to the aluminum mast, and that way you're able to play with the new Mark Newson rings. Super cool, because those wings are really nice for specifically surfing. They're super high aspect ratio, so they're super thin, really wide wingspan, but still provide plenty of lift, even though they have a smaller surface area. And so you can even look at it and see how the wing mounts more in the center line of the fuselage. So it just cuts down a lot of the drag, and it's also a better mount, especially for the bigger wings. It doesn't put as much torque on the screws. So I've only seen that like once from somebody on the internet where they cranked the mast, or like the foil hit something and they totally destroyed the mast. This looks a lot more durable from impacts. So pretty cool. And again, this is a nice option for existing owners to upgrade their existing kit, because this is going to be a 80 centimeter. So it's the longer size, and just you're suddenly, you know, you can have a series 2 just to upgrade the mast, and you're basically on the latest and greatest system, so without spending 13-14 grand. So super cool, big fan. But let's get back to the video.
And our new premium color Magnuson Flight controller. Also introduced our new yuzu color in the fiberglass as an option, which I love.
Pretty cool, new color, can't hate. Here we go.
In 2023, we took efoiling to new levels of performance with Ultra L, our revolutionary FliteSil nano battery. In 2024, we've smashed industry expectations again with the all-new Ultra L2. At approximately 40 pounds, just over 18 kilograms, it's almost half the weight of the original 2018 Fliteboard. And
so without a battery in it, it's like under 30 pounds. It's like 26 pounds or something. You can literally take it and lift it even with a nano battery on it. It's stupid light.
Testament to our constant search for improvement. Ultra L2 comes in amazing carbon negra, finished in translucent ultramarine. It's lighter and narrower, and the battery box has been reduced in weight too, accommodating FliteSil Sport and FliteSil Nano batteries only. Ultra L2 also comes with our game-changing new MN Carbon Wave efoil. At about 32 inches or 82 centimeters long, it's the world's lightest and slimmest efoil system. It uses it.
So you hear that? This comes with the new super light carbon monoblock foil that the Magnuson board comes with. So that's kind of like, boom. If you are a high performance rider, if you want to surf, if you want to do tow, whatever, this is the best thing you can get. It's the lightest carbon mast with the slimmest fuselage, folding prop, best controller. This is it. I tried it at the partner meeting as well, and I was absolutely blown away by by everything. Like, it feels just like a regular foil board. Like, it's so lightweight, it's insane. You know, if you have experience with a Fliteboard, you know that with like the Cruiser 1100 wing, the standard wing, you know, for a 170 pound person, you got to put it at like power level 4 or 5 to get it to lift and take off. With this and the MN 860 Wave, I was able to get off and take off on power level 2 and keep level at power level 1. Like, it is so light. You don't need a giant wing and a lot of lift to keep it up out of the water. All you need to do is stand, pump it up, and you can keep it up, no problem. It's insane. And it's super light. Like, it's an absolute game changer. Like, but not in terms of game changing like the Fliteboard Air, in terms of accessibility and price. This is a game changer in the opposite spectrum in terms of pushing the limit of high performance. Like, and that's something Flite is really, you can see from their full product range for 2024. They're single-handedly creating the best entry-level product and the best top-of-the-line product. Like, they're doing it. It's insane.
An incredibly small and light motor that fits our new 1.81 inch or 46 millimeter fuselage. So it looks more like a regular surf foil than an efoil, and comes with your choice of new conical performance wing and the ultra refined folding prop designed by Mercury Marine. The Ultra L2 package includes the new MN Premium Color Flight controller with a new wave mode feature, so you can record unpowered waves in real time and keep track of your best rides and records while you ride.
So sick. I'm so ready. I want one so bad.
At Flite, we're constantly looking to create new experiences and new ways to ride. For the past 3 years, a focused team of hydrodynamicists, designers and engineers have been reaching for the impossible and exploring no limits foiling. The result is the creation of our exciting new brand, FliteLab. Take a look.
So cool. I want one of these too.
You're seriously going to love what we've been up to. Foiling lets you ride waves that traditional surfers can't. But with such a small board, there are some waves that just seem impossible to catch. So with FliteLab AMP, we stuck a jet into the board. Now, with the AMP boards, there's almost nothing you can't paddle onto. Using the AMP jet and AMP cell battery technology, we've created a jet cartridge that slots into your board in seconds. Press the boost button on the launch pad and the AMP jet gives you just the right amount of power to get into the perfect position and up on foil. Whether you're a prone foiler, winger, or a downwinder, FliteLab's got you covered. Plus, because it's safely contained in the board, AMP jet won't affect your ability to pump back out and it won't add drag when you touch down. Or you can easily just ride without it when the conditions suit. The AMP board and jet will be followed closely by the AMP mast, offering the same convenient power, but from the mast. It allows you to peel off a wave and power back to the lineup and onto the next wave, all while standing. It's super smart engineering, uses the AMP board cavity to hold up to 4 AMP cell batteries, giving you total control over power and run time. I'm pumped to share the AMP range with you. Look out for more from FliteLab. You guys are seriously going to lose your mind.
Everything we have in store for you at Fliteboard and FliteLab changes what's possible on water. That's always been our drive, and this year's going to be bigger than ever, with incredible options for beginners, pros, surfers, yachts, resorts, and families. We're getting amazing feedback from the Fliteboard community too, as more and more people discover the joy of riding the world's best efoils.
Bonkers, man. So, yeah, FliteLab. So I'm, a little 50-50 on FliteLab. I think the jet is really cool, and I think the AMP is really cool. The mast is really cool too. It sounds like this is more for efficiency, like longer duration sessions, because you can slot multiple batteries in there. I'm a little bummed out. This is not like an accessory. Like, I was kind of under the impression that this was going to be like a foil drive or something where you can mount it on any foil that you had, and use Fliteboard's motor technology. But it sounds like this is a whole unit and you have to use it with the AMP board, so it's not brand agnostic. So I don't know. I mean, obviously it's all going to be how it performs and what it's going to be priced at. That's probably something they could easily do down the line, but who knows, whatever. It was really cool seeing a little bit more FliteLab content here, but I mean, I'm stoked for this year. Like I said, we were able to test both the Flite Airs and the Ultra L2 at the partner meeting last year, and now that it's announced, we can share how cool it is and how big of a game changer it is. I mean, the biggest thing really is the fact that you can get that carbon mast with the new conical wing section and the smaller efoil fuselage diameter, and that makes a huge change when you're looking at the unpowered riding. Didn't have the opportunity to surf it at the meeting, so we'll see how much better it feels, but it looks super sick. Stay tuned. If you want to pre-order an Ultra L or one of the performance aluminum masts, you can email us info@bayfoils.com. We have the ability to pre-order any product you'd like and we could ship it to you. I don't have the information on a timeline right now because this was just announced like 5 hours ago from the time of this video being uploaded. But if you email us, we can let you know what the timeline looks like and what shipping's going to be. But till next time, leave a comment what you're looking towards getting, if you're more towards Ultra L2 or if you're looking more of a FliteLab product. But we'll see you in the next video.